Hello everyone. Welcome to our official channel. In March this year, we successfully launched the Rokid Max AR Glasses. And guess what? Now we have a new product in the house, which is the Rokid Station. So what exactly is Rokid Station? Let's take a look. As you can see, Rokid Station is basically a small piece of hardware that is much smaller than a regular smartphone. Other than the Rokid Station, you will also get a Rokid Station remote. So on the front side, there are 4 buttons on the Rokid Station. Here we have a home button, backward button, apps, settings. And here are some accessories. A USB-A to USB-C cable and a micro HDMI to Type-C cable. So what are the differences between these two cables? The USB-A to USB-C cable is mainly for charging your Rokid Station. The micro HDMI to Type-C cable is connecting the station to your Rokid Max glasses. The best part is that the Rokid Station works seamlessly with your Rokid Max and as an emergency power bank. From the software perspective, the Rokid Station runs Android TV OS 12, which means you can access everything on the Google Play Store. With the Max and Station combo, you can literally put an Android TV in your pocket and enjoy a big-time experience on a massive screen anytime, anywhere.